cool, crisp, garden fresh. Today we're making a white bean cucumber dill salad that's crisp, refreshing, and perfect for warm summer days. Let's get started. Gather a few fresh vegetables, creamy white beans, bright herbs, and simple pantry ingredients. Whisk together fresh lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard, garlic, and dill until smooth and well combined. Combine the white beans, cucumber, red onion, parsley, and dill. Then gently fold everything together with the fresh lemon herb dressing until evenly coated. Finish with a little extra fresh dill and a squeeze of lemon before serving. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Fresh herbs, crisp cucumber, and creamy white beans come together in a refreshing salad that's perfect all summer long. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.